Oh my god, you guys, Light Elegance is releasing a bomb in the nail industry. You better stick around to hear this. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel, sponsored by the fabulous Light Elegance. And as I said, they are seriously releasing a bomb in the professional nail industry, and also for all of you spa lovers out there, including myself. I don't know if you have seen it, but on social media, Light Elegance have been teasing you for a little while, and now we can finally reveal to you our little secret. So Light Elegance is releasing an all-natural spa line called Q&Lu. This line includes a scrub, a lotion, foot salt, and a spa oil. All these products can be combined and used together, and they are just simply amazing. Like, I wish that I could send out like the scent to you that I am surrounded by right now, because it is simply just amazing. I would say the part that I love most about this is that there are no artificial dyes or fragrances. Everything is used with essential oils, so it's an all-natural spa line, and that is very important to me because I've always been very interested in just like essential oils. So to find out that Light Elegance has followed this as well just makes my heart explode with love for this line. This line allows you as a professional to perform a high quality manicure and pedicure spa service. So you can add this to your normal manicure routine or pedicure routine as well. It doesn't necessarily have to be a spa thing. This is also something that you could add to any service just to make it a little bit more special. And because Light Elegance have been using premium all-natural products for this line, just makes it extremely unique to the professional market. And I promise you that your customers will definitely fall in love with this, and the cool thing is that you will be able to sell these as well. So let's start by talking about this sea salt magic. It comes in this size or the big one that you can use at your salon, and it will last you a long time. This salt soak is an ultra fine and very lightly fragranced salt, which will soften cuticles and calluses. And I would say when you smell it, it has that lavender scent to it, which I am obsessed with. I love lavender. It is very soothing, calming. You don't actually have to use it as a soap though. You can also use it as a scrub. And I would definitely recommend you to try it out at home as well. And our next product is the bamboo polish, which is a 2-in-1 product. So you can use it as a scrub on your hands, feet, legs, and arms, but you can also use it as a mask to relieve tension in the muscles and also draw out toxins with a cooling effect. It actually contains natural bamboo, volcanic ashes, together with lavender and tea tree oil. And this is to eliminate dry skin, increase circulation, and soften the skin as well. I would say that this is probably my favorite of the bunch, and it is the lotion. It is just simply amazing. I've never tried out anything like this before, and I am serious. Usually you have these lotions that just smell good. They don't really do anything, right? But this one, oh my god, I have been obsessing about this ever since I got it. My clients love it. Wow. I don't even know like where to begin. I would say that all these products are just as amazing as this one, but yeah, this is definitely my favorite. So I use it at the end of my service. I'm just massaging the hands, and the hands go so extremely smooth when you're done. It's mental. Like, this is a product that actually does something. Like, this entire line, it actually works. It has those effects that you wish that your normal lotions or scrub or salt would do, but this actually does the trick. And I would say this is a fragrance, and this goes for the entire line, that actually works for both men and women. So it's a very fresh spa feeling. And it comes in a big container as well because we need it. We need it. Especially like here in Sweden when it's cold and we're dry everywhere. My new best friend. Last product to present to you guys is this spa oil, and it's a mix of natural and essential oils to use to massage your hands and feet, or you can use it over your entire body. You can actually mix it together with the lotion if you like another okay, I'm such a nail tech, another viscosity. You can mix the oil into like the salt scrub, or you can mix it into the bamboo polish. That's the cool thing. You can mix and match all these products to add more moisture and create your custom mix for your customer or yourself. And this is something that is very important for you to know, that every single ingredient in this line has a purpose. So lavender has that soothing, calming effect. Basil, for example, have high levels of vitamin A, E, and F, and these work to smoothen and soften the skin. Vitamin E, for example, is a natural antioxidant. The bamboo extract is a moisturizer rich in minerals and proteins. The mint is very energizing and cooling, and also has actually an antifungal effect. And then we have tea tree, which is detoxifying, and it's also very calming and healing. Okay guys, that is it. I've really tried to explain to you guys how amazing these products are. It's actually my honest opinion about these products. They're simply the best. I am seriously obsessing about this entire line. I use the lotion every single day, like several times per day, even though I don't need it. I just love the smell and the feeling of it. Love to mix and combine it and see what I can come up with. These products will be available to purchase on April 1st. And no, it will not be an April Fool's joke. They will actually be out. And as soon as your nail tech has ordered all these amazing products, you as a customer will also be able to take this home with you as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.